It's the champagne pouring, big joint rolling, Bombay sipping, no blunt smoking, bad bitch getting thick and she got some friends with her. I take them out, pouring shots of liquor, drinking out the bottle, smiling in all my pictures. The marijuana house and them hoes follow like Twitter. Nigga, you know everything Taylor. Don't rush to the bar, fool, if you ain't got no paper. That's the rules. Times fuck, stop me drunk when I'm passing through. Rolling U's up, your homie, we pass on two. Hit the club, spend this money up, roll another one, drink, act a fool. That's what I have to do. Champagne all night, never worried about a damn thing. When you're mine, homie, I'm on my level, yeah. 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 Take one shot to the brain and on 3 more shots going in. Hey, I'm on my level, yeah. 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 Spent a couple dollars on my engine motor board when I back up to the garage. Jen got me drunk as fuck, stumbling out the bar. Plus I'm struggling trying to find the keys to my car, cause I be going hard. Roll the camera light just like a movie, I'm the star. Wish it wasn't my position, be too broke to play the part. Of course, I keep some bad women with me in the bag, sipping rosé with some hash twisting.